go to www.cbapp.us. You can sign in with Google if you have a Gmail account or log in with your email. You will then click that you are a learner. Next, type in your first and last name that you want to appear on the platform. Then type in your password. To join a classroom, click the Join a Classroom rectangle. This is where you will type in the join code that your instructor gave you. If you do not have a join code, please request one from your instructor. When you enter the code, you will be asked if you want to join the class. When you click Join, you will have access to the lessons that have been assigned to you. Click the lesson you would like to start working on. Here is where you will see the summary, possibly an instructional video, key terminology, and the steps that you need to capture and narrate. When you are ready, click Capture in the first step and either upload a video, capture video with your device, or screen record. After your video has been uploaded, you will click Narrate to do a voiceover. On version 1.0 of CrossBraining, we scrub the audio and require the learner to do a voiceover. Click Narrate. Here you can type out what you are going to say while using the key terminology to guide your narration. You will then be prompted to practice your narration. When you are done practicing, you can record your voiceover. Click Stop when you are done. Next, you can choose to review, save, or re-record. Be sure to click Save when you are happy with your recording. If your instructor sent you questions about the step, click the Reflect button to answer them. When you are ready, go on to the next steps and complete each step. When all of the tasks are checked off, our software will splice all of the steps into one video. Click the Final button to review your video. Here is where you can add background music. Your instructor now has access to your final video, and if they leave feedback, this is where you will see it. Message notifications are posted on your home screen each time your instructor makes a comment. Now you are ready to use CrossBraining. If at any time you need to reach out to us, go to www.crossbraining.com, and in the lower right there's a chat button that you can click to submit questions.